Okay friend, I will cut down this bamboo tree. This bamboo tree will be very useful later. Okay friend, we'll cut it down straight away. Look at it friends, we've managed to cut it down. This is really cool, friend.
After we manage to cut it down, we will throw away the twigs, friend. Let's cut it again, friend. This tree. We've cut it down, friend.
We cut down one more friend. This will also be useful later. We just clean the branches straight away, friend. We will cut it down again, friend. We cut down one more friend. Okay friend, the logging process is complete, friend.